Rounding out our discussion of the personal statement, we will talk about some common mistakes and valuable resources. The first common mistake that people make when writing the personal statement is presenting a convoluted picture of the applicant. I understand that people are complicated, and there are probably many personal experiences and reasons for why dentistry that you wish you could include in the essay. Unfortunately, the personal statement is limited to 4,500 characters, so you need to pick the events that are most impactful and write about them in detail. You do not want to be like this applicant in the top right. She wants to include 6 personal anecdotes and 3 shadowing experiences in her essay. While I'm sure all of those experiences are awesome, she will never be able to dive into any one of those experiences in detail. As a result, she doesn't present a real digestible version of herself to the admissions committee. Another common mistake is presenting an overly general picture of the applicant. Remember that applicants are distinguished by the personal experiences that connect to their why dentistry reasons. Failure to expand on any of these experiences or reflect on them will come off as just generic. You do not want to be like this applicant in the bottom right that says, I want to be a dentist because I want to help people. You need to think of a more personal reason for why you are going down this path. A third mistake that people make when writing the personal statement is presenting an unclear response to the question, why dentistry? By the time the reader finishes your piece, they should feel confident in your commitment to the profession. There should not be an overemphasis on negative experiences, and you should keep the essay focused on dentistry. The admissions team should never consider you being a better fit for a different healthcare profession outside of dentistry. And a final common mistake is a general lack of organization. You should have clear transitions leading between your interests or your chronological events, depending on the approach that you take in your body paragraphs. Finally, here are some valuable resources when writing the personal statement. It's important that you have both people you know and complete strangers read over your personal statement just to make sure it's an accurate reflection of who you are. So, some valuable resources include your University Writing Center, your University Health Professions Advising, and any outside companies specifically focused on healthcare and dentistry admissions.